Okay, so I'm back here to show you quickly how to do the purpose and strategy page. We're just going to go through this really quickly. This should be pretty short. We already have our intellectual title page done. We have our premise. As you can see here, I did change it back, change the photo back, and I just want to show you really quickly. What had happened was I went into filter. Before, when we did the first effect here, we were in effects. We had given it a dusk effect, but I had also been experimenting with the filters, which is right next to effects. And what I had done is switched it to grayscale. This has just a bunch of different color tones, but wanted to point this out to you because this is really handy. Sometimes when you have a color photo, you may want to switch it to black and white or just play around with some of these filters, which is super fun. So we are going to get out of that though. It's the way we want it. And the other thing I wanted to point out is I did end up going through and adding bullet points. I just sort of liked the way this looked better. And now that we are totally done with that, we are going to add a page and go to the templates. I'm just going to type in Blue Company General Report. And there it is. We want to put this page in there. And next, we're just going to do like we did before and add our titles, our headers, and then add the body text. So I'm going to skip over that part and jump back in when I have completed that. Okay, so I have added my purpose and strategy sections, and I did go through and change the blue triangles to purple like we did on our premise vision page. So wanted to point that out to you. I have aligned all of my text boxes just so that they'd fit nicely within these areas. And I think it turns out pretty good. Yeah, so this is just what you're going to want to do after you get your purpose and strategy texted. So I just set this up so that it would be somewhat aligned. You'll have to change yours around to fit the page. And I did end up changing my my font to 18 point. I think in I did that in both. So when I was realigning this, I just liked the way it looked better. Once it's printed out, 18 point font is pretty large and easy to read. So I changed it all to 18 point to fit well on the pages so they could fit all of it in. With that, this is just going to be a quickie. Just wanted to show this to you though and tell you to have fun. So just play around with yours, have fun, and stay tuned because next I am going to show you my spiritual section, which is the mirror image of the woman doing yoga. That will be coming up next.